Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high-quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First, we have ease of use. Crayo AI's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners. Speed, we have quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. Quality, we have produced professional looking videos that capture attention. Efficiency, we have save time with automated features and smart templates. So to more understand, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Crayo.ai. This is the website. As you can see, the fastest way to generate short videos. Here we have try us for free, learn more. So here we have create unlimited short videos, add-ons, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have the homepage. It looks like that. Homepage, my projects, my uploads, video editor, generate story video, generate voiceover video, generate text to image video, all script generator. Here we have from idea short videos in seconds. Create a limited short video add-ons, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have, as you can see, there is 3 steps to start video. The first step is write and outline, and then we have customize and style. Finally, we have finish and export. The first one we have start with writing script using a prompt or using template suggestions. First, we have enter your story topic, select the one you want: clockwork detective, guardian of whispers, journey of to a fire. Then you select story tone, funny, mystery, horror. Then you select how much words you want, 2000, 3000, 40,000, as you can see. Then we have customize and style, select background, video, voice, and a music from free templates. Select your font style, the quick brown fox over. Select story background, you select the one you want: William, Henry, Justin. There is male, there is female, you can choose the one you want. Then we have finish and export. Choose export format adult, generated videos, script, or narration, as you can see here. Then we have other information, all in one tool for generating file results using AI. Create unlimited short videos, add-ons, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have automate videos in seconds. We have background videos, multi-platform videos, manual editing, create script, voiceover, popular music, a lot of information, guys. So it's very helpful. Auto subtitle, we have automatic AI subtitles generator, as you can see here. Also we have AI script generator. Start with writing script using a prompt or using template suggestion. You can select the one you want, generate outline, generate description, generate a lot of things. And we have background videos. Select custom backgrounds from templates. As you can see, you can select the one you want. Here we have multi-purpose videos. Create videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Here we have AI image generation. Create AI images with your prompt. Bring your ideas. You can select the one you want. Then we have video editor. Edit your videos with full-fledged AI powered video editor and take your videos to next level. Here we have video filters. Edit your videos and apply tons of filters. And we have AI voice narrator. Bring your stories to life using our powerful AI voice narrator. We have here William, Jason, Hannah. There is male, there is female here. Here we have ultimate tool for social media growth. Create a limited shorts video add-ons, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Have your Instagram reels, turn Instagram reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. Then we have TikTok videos. Use AI to make money from the CBP program by creating entertaining content using Creo. We have also faceless content. Create a video using just a script and create com- captivating content. We have Reddit stories. Use AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. Also YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts using AI voiceover script generation to help you make content. Instagram Reels use AI creators on Creo to make content but for you rather than using your own face. Our customer us create unlimited short videos, add-ons, auto-generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have some comments. You can read it to know more for this website. As you can see, let's talk about pricing right now. Pricing plan. We have plans. We have first monthly. Let's talk about monthly first. We have a session plan, clipper plan, pro plan. We have $19 for $19 for each month. Includes we have 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI image. For clipper plan, pay $39 for each month. We have includes 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover. Then we have 250 AI images. For pro plan, we have $79 for each month. We have includes 125 AI videos, limited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. Sorry. Monthly we have, yearly we have. For a session plan we have $164 for each year. Clipper plan we have 327 for each year. Pro plan we have 664 for each year. This is year, not month. As you can see, then you get started to sign up. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here Creo dashboard, Creo editor, my project, my exports, my assets. You can create. We have split video, story video, text video, poll video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI features, AI brainstorm, YouTube downloader, TikTok downloader. More we have affiliate, Discord. As you can see, here we have generate story video, create an AI generated story video, generate voiceover, make high quality voiceover in seconds. We have also generate AI text to image video, create ChatGPT like image videos. Popular apps we have split screen video, fake text video, AI videos, and voiceover story, download YouTube videos. Then let's sign in. So you create your account by writing your name, writing your email, then you sign up. Then you can also use Google to sign up. Then you pay and you start your video. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and efficiently. Happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.